In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monday.com to build a work schedule efficiently. This straightforward guide will help you get started with structuring your team's work schedule in no time. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to monday.com. This is your go-to platform for managing various work aspects seamlessly. It's great for organizing tasks and schedules, making it perfect for creating your work schedule. Next, look towards the upper right corner of the monday.com homepage. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, when you're at the login page, you have the option to either sign in with Google or type in the email address you plan to use for this activity. If you choose the Google sign-in option, make sure to select the correct email account that you'll be working with for this project. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to create a new board. A board is essentially the workspace where your work schedule will take shape. Look for the plus new board button and give it a click. For clarity and ease of access in the future, let's name this board work schedule. This way, you'll always know where to find your schedule. Now comes the time to populate your board. Start by selecting the employees whose schedules you wish to manage. This is an essential step as it ensures everyone is accounted for in your schedule. Then create the board by simply clicking the Create Board button. Your board is now ready to be customized with columns that suit your scheduling needs. First, add a people column. This will be used to list all the employees included in your schedule. Following this, add a date column. This column will serve to represent the specific work days you're scheduling. To keep things organized, it's practical to add a text or drop-down column. Use this to specify shifts like morning, afternoon, or night. This will help everyone easily see which shift they are assigned to. Additionally, consider adding a time tracking column for a more detailed look at work hours. This can provide useful insights later on. Next, for each employee, you'll want to create an item or a row and fill in the essential details, including their name, assigned dates, and shift specifics. This setup ensures that all necessary information is right at your fingertips and keeps everyone on the same page. Finally, utilize the time tracking column to log start and end times for each shift. This feature is particularly helpful for keeping accurate records of work hours and analyzing productivity if needed. And that's it. You've now set up a comprehensive work schedule on monday.com, perfect for managing tasks and keeping everyone aligned. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.